Let's skip the fluff. You want to make money online and you don't have a specific skill like coding, design, or video editing? That's fine. There are real ways to do it. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 methods that actually work, what you can realistically earn from each, and how to get started today. No experience required. Method 1. Microtask sites. The fastest way to earn your first dollar online is through microtask platforms. Sites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and Remotasks pay you to complete small tasks, things like categorizing images, transcribing short audio clips, answering surveys, or labeling data for AI companies. You don't need any qualifications. You sign up, pick a task, complete it, and get paid. The honest numbers, you're looking at $2 to $8 per hour on average. It's not going to replace a full-time income, but it's real money and you can start within the hour. Best for anyone who wants to earn something immediately while figuring out a longer-term plan. Method 2. Selling unused stuff. This one requires 0 skill and 0 investment. You already have inventory. It's sitting in your house. Go through your clothes, electronics, books, furniture, anything you don't use. List it on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or apps like Vinted or Depop. Take clear photos and good lighting. Write an honest description, price it slightly below similar listings, and you're done. Most people who do this for the first time make between $100 and $500 in their first month just clearing out clutter. Once your own stuff runs out, some people start sourcing cheap items from thrift stores and flipping them for profit. That's called retail arbitrage, and it scales well. Best for quick cash without spending anything up front. Method 3. Reselling digital products. This one is underrated. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad let you sell digital downloads, things like printable planners, budget templates, resume templates, or social media graphics. Now you might be thinking, I can't design. That's where Canva comes in. Canva is a free tool with thousands of pre-built templates. You customize a planner, export it as a PDF, upload it to Etsy, and it sells while you sleep. The startup cost is basically 0. Some sellers on Etsy make $500 to $3,000 a month from simple printables. It takes time to build up, but once a listing is live, it's passive. Best for people who want income that doesn't require constant active work. Method 4. Get paid to test. Websites, companies need real people to test their websites and apps before they go live. They pay for your feedback. Platforms like User Testing, Testbirds, and Trimeta pay you $5 to $30 per test. Each test takes 10 to 20 minutes. You visit a website, complete a task, talk through what you're doing out loud, and submit your recording. That's it. You don't need any technical knowledge. You just need to be able to use a computer and speak clearly. Some people earn $100 to $200 a month doing this part-time. Best for people who have a bit of free time throughout the day. Method 5. Content creation. The honest version. Everyone talks about YouTube and TikTok like you'll be rich in 3 months. Let's be realistic. Building an audience takes time, but there's a version of content creation that pays much sooner. Faceless YouTube channels. You pick a simple niche. Motivational quotes, relaxing music, top 10 lists, nature sounds. Create videos with free tools like CapCut or even just PowerPoint with a voiceover and upload consistently. Many channels in these niches hit monetization, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, within 6 to 12 months. The other angle is TikTok's Creator Rewards program or YouTube Shorts. Short videos on simple topics, life hacks, facts, quick tutorials, can grow fast with 0 on-camera presence. This one takes longer than the others, but the upside is much higher. Think of it as planting a tree. Best for people willing to be consistent for 6 to 12 months for a bigger payoff. Method 6. Get paid for your opinion. Survey sites are often dismissed because the pay is low, but if you use the right ones and stack them, it adds up. The top platforms are Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, and Prolific. Prolific in particular pays significantly more than the others, sometimes $6 to $12 per hour. because it works with university researchers who need quality responses. The realistic monthly earning from surveys done consistently, $50 to $200. Not a salary, but it's something you can do while watching TV or commuting. Best for filling small pockets of dead time throughout the day. Method 7, virtual assistant work. This is the method with the most earning potential on this list. Virtual assistants, or VAs, help business owners with tasks like scheduling, replying to emails, managing social media, data entry, or customer service. You might be thinking that's a skill. It's not in the traditional sense. If you can use Gmail, Google Docs, and social media, you already qualify for entry-level VA work. Where to find it? Upwork, Fiverr, and Facebook groups for online entrepreneurs. Start by offering a simple service. I will organize your inbox and schedule your appointments for a competitive rate. Entry-level VAs earn $10 to $15 per hour. With a little experience, that jumps to $20 to $30. This is one of the fastest paths from zero to a consistent monthly income online. Best for people who want real income growth over time, not just side money. Putting it all together. Here's a simple starting plan. In week 1, sign up for a micro-task site and a survey platform to get your first few dollars moving. List anything you don't need on Facebook Marketplace. In week 2, open a free Canva account and create 1 or 2 printable products for Etsy. In week 3, apply for VA work on Upwork with a simple, honest profile. None of this requires a degree, a portfolio, or special software. It just requires starting. The biggest mistake people make is waiting until they feel ready. You don't get ready and then start. You start and then get ready. That's 7 real ways to earn money online without any prior skills. Some pay fast, some build slowly, some can become a full income. Pick one that fits where you are right now and go do one thing today to start it.